The modern United States is the most powerful.
Big booty bitch, I know who paid for it. Yeah. Big booty bitch, I know who paid for it. You ride the Audemars Brigade, you ain't on no sad shit. If you say your grace, I get your ass licked. Yeah, dive in and drop out the road. Stay with you, how I'm supposed. When I'm rocking jug, got it close. Oh, yeah. Peanut butter guts from the inside. We going for a bite up the herb batches. Molly can't bite like a Mentos. I don't do credit. I don't do credit. Shut up and shine my necklace. Playing with the blocks like Tetris. Over 150 my dentures. All you time ties with all your women. Keep your dog strapped down in the reckless. All the motherfuckers down in the speckless. No complaining that they calling me the bestest. Pussy cut, bust down, broke necklace. I ain't telling no reason to disguise it. I done seen it, I turn my eyes. Tell your main hoe 1,000 lies. Told my main hoe the truth, that's on slime. I'm a Leo, I got 9 lies. Blinded hunters won't come for your life. If you won't see me succeed, gotta tell me everything that I need. Like a mess told the guy how to need. Like a dirty, but I'm having cheese. I got a bitch in Belize. Might be pregnant and this ain't a tease. I was telling my slime not to leave. Too much money to be in the streets, yeah. Too much money to be in the streets. Too much money to spend all on me. Too much shade and none enough love. Free Larry, free Young Thug. Free Larry, free Young Thug. On road, go, get in that mode. Shit that they been on, low vibrational. I'm on vibranium, cars they titanium. You know when you alien, landing so by stadium. I feel like Hussein or something. I've been on a crazy run. If you got the cake and buns, you gon' have to save me some. This one here for YSL. I ain't talking Saint Laurent. Two ahead, we way up front. Though my name, I play too much. In this way, I'm way too much money to be in the streets, too much money to spend all on me. Too much shade and none enough love. Free Larry, free Young Thug. Free Larry, free Young Thug. Too much money to be in the streets, too much money to spend all on me. Too much shade and none enough love. Free Larry, free Young Thug. While we at it, free me. I'm the owner of this shit, not a lease. I go ghost and I get out of reach, cause I gotta protect my peace. They say to trust the process, but all I trust is me. Cause all I trust is I gotta go tell him I said God bless. Holy water, take me to the river. Holy Father, forgive me for my sins. Holy water, holy water, holy water. Free all my friends, protect my sons, protect my daughters. Take me to your river. I wanna go. Well, please let me know. Take me to your river. I wanna go. Well, please let me know. Take me to your river. I wanna go.
Nobody don't wanna cry no more. Nobody don't wanna die no more. I'm sure nobody don't wanna go hide no more. You don't wanna go caught off the line no more.
Take you what the fuck up, nigga.
Nobody don't wanna cry no more. No. I seen years go by, but band been flying more. Sometimes you gotta lose the battle just so you can win the war. You gotta go back and forth from the court to the roast to court. Two new wax, we playing expensive sport. Me and bro cut into the hood, Lamborghini Aventador. I know it's a 2-seat, but they say less is more. I lost so much beats, feel like I need a pedicure. Feds still coming with questionnaires. How can I live my life in fair? I came up, now my wrist is shedding tears. I got this hunting filler with Nina bells, I don't know if death is near. Got me a up boy to a bro, let me do stats, come like he the engineer. 15 with a sawn off long like a bottle of Belvedere. Next thing I'm in H&P, I really had to get mail in there. You know work got sold on the road, I made work still selling there. I've seen niggas first start singing like Ella Air. Nobody don't wanna cry no more. Nobody don't wanna die no more. I'm sure nobody don't wanna go high no more. Yeah. You don't wanna go caught off the line no more.
Yeah. I wasted $1 million drip all I rock is gym wear. 4 bags on t-shirts, 2 bags on skincare. I gotta keep my skin clear. I don't know about cues, just walk straight in there. You sing that Shaq song with your chest, but you niggas ain't been here. At the top it's me. It gets lonely sometimes and I look down to a sigh of relief. Cool. My flow's tight like Gage and Fee. I'm a grown-ass man, I don't do one side, I do wait and see. I put 2 plates on the side of the game, lay down on my back, then bench it. All you can do with your fist is clench it. I might Dave and cinch it. Take a look at these diamonds wrong, then a man gonna turn you sprinter. I do the Uno reverse, my ski all summer, do beach and winter. I just laugh when they say that I can't go higher. I'm a frequent flyer. My last album's cold, my new one's fire. I might call it Maya. I got back pain and I got neck pain, cause I got the weight of the game on my shoulder. Kept saying that it weren't no fluke, I was young like Luke, now I gotta be Yoda.
Nobody don't wanna cry no more.
We don't.
Nobody don't wanna die no more. I'm sure nobody don't wanna go high no more. You don't wanna go caught off the line no more.
Let me see your hands to bring you outside in my land. I've been with the gangsters and dangers, hanging out the window, let it bang. For the right price, they'll do, yo. That's my right hand man. We out in Shabu, yo. Outside in Japan, stripes running around me like Kruger. What's it to, yo? Introduce you to my new girl. There's Ruger in my pants, yo. Let me see your hands to bring you outside in my land. I've been with the gangsters and bangers, hanging out the window, let it bang. These niggas be on trees, son. I swear that they switch. I just needed a reason. Already dug his ditch. They say I'm on fire, like a 19th century witch. No snow on the bluff, the wire. They think I'm 50 Cent. I've been in stains. Boo, you too. Let's be Bonnie Clyde, fuck the sand. We gon' be like Pablo Esco. We don't need no fucking middleman. Let me see your hands to bring you outside in my land. I've been with the gangsters and bangers, hanging out the window, let it bang. For the right price, you'll do, yo. That's my right hand man. We out in Shabu, yo. Outside in Japan, stripes running on me like Kruger. What's it to, yo? Introduce you to my new girl. There's Ruger in my pants, yo. Let me see your hands to bring you outside in my land. I've been with the gangsters and dangers, hanging out the window, let it bang.
Yachty, what's good? I'm on stream right now.
What's the word?
The chat was just saying, please call Yachty right now and tell him to officially drop the freestyle.
I said less. I got your blessing, I'll drop it.
Look. Creep. Same nigga breaking down hoes left and right. Yo, I was counting up in him on a private flight. Yo, all this chrome on my body like a medieval knight. I was fucking up a sack on that purple Sprite. Yeah, all my bitches beneficial, even told a pistol. Yeah, even blow it like a whistle, lie to officials. I'll drip it down in crystals if I know you're real. How you geeking out your body off a pink pill? I caught your line, Timmy, and I fuck with you still. There's so many properties I bought, I'm king of the hill. Fuck nigga need to learn his place before we put him in it. Stepping and swinging, I'm running shit, I might run for Senate. I got a bitch up in the kitchen wearing them coochie cutters. Bring my doggy out that cell, straight up out the gutter. We been them niggas ever since position needed feeling. And I fear I didn't see her, it was just me and Dylan. It was just me and Justin. Gripping her hair while she taught me might give her concussion. I don't like discussions, I'm too rich for fussing. Look her dead in her eyes and how that pussy bustin'. I ain't never cuffin'. Bring my corner, baby doggy psyched out still. Your baby daddy broke, no need for him to ride a wheel. I put paint on my nails, bitches fucking still. It's so money in my bank that I'm spinning still. Lifestyle shit get twisted, I been living shady. I been beating up that sack like I'm Devin Haney. I don't need a rap friend, I'ma step solo. I try anything once the lifestyle yellow. I don't wanna be posted on the blogs, I don't wanna answer calls. I did this shit for my dogs, I just beat up your mall. I just beat up my wrist, I was ducking IRS. I was taking that risk, I was taking that bitch. I was flying air drakes, I was taking that switch. Bitch, yeah. They gave me guns at 18, ain't know what to do. Fuck a sack up at the jeweler, I was going stupid. Fell in love with a teller, I don't know Q. Gotta tell my stepper no, cause he'll really do. Anywhere, everywhere, he don't give a damn. Empty the clip, reload the clip, we call it sleight of hand. My memory bad, so I'm fucking baby, I don't cam. Go take a quote, I copped RP a couple lambs. That boy's not a king, penny sold a couple grams. He ain't no gangster, grew up better than Adonis Graham. It's us.
Gotta find my joint up on this bitch. I miss you. 3 times. Yeah. Sticking to the code, all these hoes for the street. I put it in her nose, it's gon' make her pussy leak. Pussy niggas told ain't gon' wake up at they sleep. You can't hear that switch, but you can hear them niggas scream. All my hoes do shrooms, nigga, all my hoes do coke. 20-carat ring, I put my fingers down her throat. If I lose a carat, she might choke. I know she gon' swallow, she'll go. Free band, nigga, bring the rats in. Got the shooters in the corner like the pack in. She think cause she was at it, bitch, she attractive. That's that shit that get you put up at the section. And the model still the same. Ball like I won a championship game. You know these hoes hungry, they gon' fuck for a name. I put her on the game, she get fucked for a chain. Got your girl in this bitch, she twirling on the dick. I got syrup in this bitch, turn up in this bitch. And we bout the irks in this bitch, get murked in this bitch. All these pointers on me, baby, you know it's game time. Bring a friend, bitch, we fuck them at the same time. I'm a different nigga, no, we not the same kind. You can have that look, bitch, you ain't mine. Young dope dealer selling dope, is you like that? Kicking doors, kicking in doors, is you like that? Young throw nigga selling lows, is you like that? All 24, you won't go, is you like that? Niggas from the bottom really like that. Stepping ambulances if you like that. Pop another bottle if you like that.
These niggas talking out of their neck. Don't put no coughing out of your mouth. I'm way too paranoid for a threat. Hey, let's get it, bro. DOT, the money, power, respect. The last one is better. Say yes, a lot of goofies with a check. I mean, I hold them sentiments symbolic. My temperament bipolar, I choose violence. Okay, let's get it up. It's time for him to prove that he's a problem. Niggas clicking up, but cannot be legit. No 40 water, tell him. Yeah, get up with me. Fuck sneak diss and first person shooter. I hope they came with 3 switches. I crash out like fuck rap. This Melly Mel if I had to. Got 2 T's with me. I'm snatching chains and burning tattoos. It's up. Lost too many soldiers not to play it safe. If he walk around with that stick, it ain't Andre 3K. Think I won't drop the location. I still got PTSD. Motherfuck the big 3. Nigga, it's just big me. Nigga, bum. What? I'm really like that. And your best work is a light pack. Nigga, Prince outlived Mike Jack. Nigga, bum. For all your dogs getting buried, that's a K with all these nines. He gon' see Pet Cemetery, nigga.
Young dope dealer selling dope, is you like that? Kicking doors, kicking in doors, is you like that? Young throw nigga selling lows, is you like that? All 24, you won't go, is you like that? Niggas from the bottom really like that. Stepping in balances if you like that. Pop another bottle if you like that. Dope dealer selling dope, is you like that? Kicking doors, kicking in doors, is you like that? Young throw nigga selling lows, is you like that? All 24, you won't go, is you like that? Niggas from the bottom really like that. Stepping in balances if you like that. Pop another bottle if you like that. Came banging dope, niggas was John slanging powder. Walking a strip club, make it rain for 3 hours. Locked in and now I got my phantom in my driver. Perked out, took chances in my hood like Nevada. Surfed out outside, white interior lasagna. 100,000s, I just cashed out on designer. Got to devour a nigga, I learned in the jungle. Once I said it's low, that's $1 million in a week.
Yeah. Turn it all up. Powered up. I'm powered up. I'm powered up. I'm powered up. It's powered up. Yeah, said I was finished, but I want another 2 summers. Hall of Famer hungrier than all the newcomers. Niggas swear they compare, but the truth humbles. If you fuck 112, you couldn't do numbers. They tell the label I got A's all throughout math. That mean I'm keen on the numbers and I count fast. You know it's money that you owe me, niggas phony and I'm why Queen Phoenix walk the line, I'm about cash. Benjamin Button getting younger as the hours pass. Should do the freshman cover twice, I'm never outclassed. It's not a rap nigga breathing that can outlast. The fall off is like holes dropping reasonable doubt last. We from the south where we learn all about stashing. When niggas prone to shoot first and run their mouth last. And if you run your mouth, bitch, you going outside. Whole click getting slid on, you a mouse pad. I'm the one that niggas fear on the low ski. Heard them talking like we peers, but they grossly mistaken, and it's blatant. Crocodile tears, niggas know I'm on a tier that they don't see. My dogs only shed tears and emojis. We in another hemisphere splitting proceeds. How dare a nigga rub his hands on this trophy? I vividly remember who was there. Niggas hit my line when they want something. That's a dub, it ain't love if it costs something. Niggas hit my phone up when they need something. I can't recall a time when you gave me something. Chopped off the top, nigga, I achieved something. Drop down, bitch, let me see something. Niggas hit my phone up when they need something. I can't recall a time when you gave me something. March 16 in the fucking teen summit. Them boys kiss ring when they see the king coming. They know I run things like the police coming. Yes, sir, it's me, not 2, not 3. The Uno, G-O-A-T, I need my fee. Fuck kudos, G4 at least. These flights ain't cheap, as you know. They sound faded, they downgraded. They Pluto, I'm bigger than Mars. This nigga a star, I'm Bruno. On when they call, when they want a song to a funeral. Can't fuck with bras, y'all niggas on, hoes communal. I'm sending flawed niggas to the Lord. And you know it, 2-6, true spit, I'm a poet. I move slick on them so they got no clue how I be. Do it look like I fool with IG, bitch? She got too many followers. Word around the Ville, she a real deal swallower. Niggas bite their hands so my heart turn hollower. Talking about a holler, nah nigga, I ain't calling you. Niggas hit my line when they want something. That's a dub, it ain't love if it costs something. Niggas hit my phone up when they need something. I can't recall a time when you gave me something. Chopped off the top, nigga, I achieved something. Drop down, bitch, let me see something. Niggas hit my phone up when they need something. I can't recall a time when you gave me something.
Listen, baby, I've got news. I've got bad news for you.
And we ball like TNT. Watch these hoes all pick a side. Bitches flock like TMZ. Every time we come outside, call the Uber SUV. How many gon' fit inside? Yeah. Hide your bitch, hide your wife. Yeah. Bag your bitch in my slide. Yeah. Pray the dogs never die. Yeah. 42, come alive. Yeah. Hide your bitch, hide your wife.
I'm allergic to cap, I can't hear these niggas rap without an EpiPen. You'll never see me in Giuseppe, I find them tacky, look what I'm stepping in. Some shit I designed with Italians, calling them Indy 5000s. Or maybe 500, I kick the door down if I wanted it, niggas won't let me in. My career in a nutshell, these bums never did nothing but fail. They gon' see I'm the one when the dust settles, they gon' see I'm the one. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, M-N-O-P, that's little me in a classroom asking, what's L? I never been known to take those. Your girl saw me and her face froze. You better be lucky I'm faithful. Please test me, I ace those. My money been growing like eightfold. You know how I hate goals. I can't tell if they turning green from the envy or is it the fake gold. I move through the street one deep. I keep forgetting I'm J. Cole. I feel like a regular nigga. I just got a very irregular bankroll. Word to Pluma, I've been getting pesos. My account like the end of a rainbow. Every time that I spit, it's a flame though. Me, Bossy, and Cinches, NATO.
And we ball like TNT. Watch these hoes all pick a side. Bitches flock like TMZ. Every time we come outside, call the Uber SUV. How many gon' fit inside? Yeah. Hide your bitch, hide your wife. Yeah. Bag your bitch in my slide. Yeah. Pray the dogs never die. Yeah. 42, come alive. Yeah. Hide your bitch, hide your wife.
Lord forgive me as I'm a sinner. The way that I live, I'm preparing for hell. I don't know why you're mad, you should probably thank me. Cause I've been airing your girl. If it gets on top, we could take the chase. Cause we know the area well. Thank God I'm not far off 100 M's. I got a thank Ron Perry as well. I don't even know why they stepped in a ring. A few seconds in and they're throwing a towel in. When we pull into the town, neighbors saying how the hell they get them houses. Now I'm in some different locations, I don't even know how to pronounce them. Award shows, I bring my pouch in, I ain't even pulling up my... I can't get packed by TMZ, tryna fit 4 things in a G63. I'ma give one thing to my bro YG, I'ma handle the rest and G all free. The back so big on me, all gassed up, how the fuck did she fit in them diesel jeans? I can't compete cause they ain't in my league, oh please, they ain't even an equal beef. At least hit man in the abdominal, bro, it don't even count if below the knee. Block life chilling with a horrible hoe, she gonna get down and blow the team. Me and the guys was borrowing clothes like bro, let me hold that coat this week. Now it's after hours, I shut down Harrods, I bring out the Amex and go in a spree.
And we ball like TNT. Okay. Watch these hoes all pick a side. Bitches like TMZ. Every time we come outside, call the Uber SUV. How many gon' fit inside? Yeah. Hide your bitch, hide your wife. Yeah. Bag your bitch in my slide. Yeah. Pray the dogs never die. Yeah. 42, come alive. Yeah. Hide your bitch.
What's up, everybody? How we doing, boys? Are we in? I'm in, and the VIP members are in. The VIP trade that I sent right before the stream started.
Sometimes when I sit back and really let it register, I did everything I said I would and said it first. I mean, the world's in denial, but they all know what I'm headed for. We about to feed these youngins to the metaverse. Meanwhile, I'm over here just trying to pen a verse. Cause I'm done being extra with the extroverts. The label used to wonder how I'm supposed to stand next to Vert. Probably never thought that I would get these legs to work. I work hard, but hard shit don't need no extra work. That's why I show up in a sweatshirt and let it burn. The world's mine, I just say fuck it, let it turn. The girl's mine, I just say fuck it, have a turn. The goats call me to the side like, can we have a word? I could've fronted, but I did this shit how I preferred. I know I should be humble, but it's something I just haven't learned. Soon enough, I had to make these bad habits burn. Soon enough, we about to come and get the shit we earn. You're not a fan now, but I remember when you used to be fanned out. I I guess when the whole world loves you, people only got one way to
Damn, okay, Kehan.
The kitchen finally panned out. I put some flavor in the pot and took the blend out. I know
Oh, this one. Hey, let's fucking go, bro. Double mod. Okay.
So I'm not gonna pull $100 grand out. I'm hip hop, do you fully understand? Fully automatic with the jams and it don't jam. At the shows I'm about to start handing out programs.
Some of the members are actually sent.
Get with the program. I'm a grown ass man. Call me pops, fuck around and take your phone ass man. Everybody know Jack, but they don't know Jack, man. They just know I got the flows and the hoes and the packed out.
Y'all need to be more active in, bro. People sending like great signals. Remember, I'm not live. Probably like, oh, look at
the roads, but school's closed in Kentucky, so I liked when it snowed. The kids carry chopsticks, not for rice in a bowl. School counselors all know how they life is at home. Cold like the Minnesota Vikings at home. Before I met Drizzy, I knew he and I would get along. But it's hard to crack jokes when you really want advice. I mean, what's it like to touch gold every time you touch a mic? Touching heights, no one gets to touch in life. Fucking right, young bachelor. What's a wife? Once in a lifetime, till I say I want it twice. One of a kind, know your everything is one of mine. Wanted posters with my face, they know who I'm wanted by.
Yeah.
Can't hear well. Yo, is mic good? Mic check, mic check, mic check.
Cold hearts and heated
Mic is good.
floors, no parental guidance, I just see the voice. Therapy sessions, I'm in the waiting room reading Forbes. Abandonment issues, I'm getting treated for. How much water can I fit under the bridge before it overflows? My son's gotta learn that forgiveness is a lonely road. The crib's on his wheel like motorhomes. Niggas love to try and test us like they know what we own. Chubbs got the magazine cover like Rolling Stone, cause we already know how they rock, they throwing stones. Whenever you getting bigger, there's growing pains. I got enough pull to make the city start throwing games. I'm out here making a mockery.
Yo, chat, who caught this?
Out here playing Monopoly. How can I address you when you don't own property? They only finesse you when you don't move properly. Destined for the win, but you don't get a prize.
We're waiting for Price to come back. No, we already took this, bro.
750 for the round canaries and they glittering.
This trade is already taken. This, I sent this to the signal channel.
To the point it's belittling. I mean the PTSD is triggering. The profit is
I got it.
the stones are shimmering.
Okay, bro. Even if you got a late, guys, even if you got a late entry, you'll still catch like at least 25 pips.
Lucky me, people that don't fuck with me are linking up with people that don't fuck with me to fuck with me. This shit is getting ugly. And every situation is transactional, and everything they saying is irrational, and every way they moving is promotional. Everybody's acting irreplaceable.
Wait, hold on, Chad. Let me eat some more chicken nuggets, and I'll get to the analysis.
Yeah, but I gotta get a nigga back for that. It's not negotiable. It's not even
Okay.
I'm getting so rich, my music's not
You 15
even
open?
relatable.
You third open? You out open? You four open?
I feel like a kid again. Praying on my downfall don't make you religious, man. All I hear is plug talk.
Okay.
All I hear is tall tales coming from little man. When I say bitch, I'm very rarely referring to women. Most of the bitches I know are niggas, they not even women. I know that sounds like I'm being funny, I'm not even kidding. Same ones that say they run a game when they not even in it. To be honest, y'all financial situation is my biggest motivation. And how you should take that statement is based on what you're making. Whips and chains like a dominatrix. If I see I spit in your faces. Daytonas with the green faces. Kentucky Derby races. My presence in the spot is so abrasive. Box at the Churchill Downs, that's motivation. Yeah.
I'm a close full.
And shorty like, you know that boy Jack is going places. I know. Yeah.
That's a trade, guys. Half was closed at like 40 something pips. Rest was closed at like. It's the 4 hour top wick, that's why I'm closing. The 4 hours, the 4 hour can go up a lot. Has a lot of clean traffic to the upside. Balance the full. Oh, that's why I'm closing full. Should be the top wick to rip? Yeah, but it's a 4 hour top wick, and most likely the 4 hour top wick can pick us up. Oh. Where was the conversation play? Right here. Didn't quite tap it. It was like 1 millimeter away from tapping it, but in that case, I just take it. It's that close. Cross projecting, I just take it. Especially when you're so bearish. Like when you have so many bearish confluences, I just take it. That, good.
I know I'm preaching to the congregation. We love Jesus, but she done learned a lot from Satan. Satan.
Okay, this is my drive here.
I mean, you did a lot of waiting. We ain't married, but tonight I need some consummation. When the sun goes,
Yeah, we might drive it, chat.
it's the magic hour.
Or I made a very small topic.
All the colors that fill up the skies. You got green on your mind. I can see it in your eyes. Why you standing there?
Where did you enter? When? At 23:10. Maybe not exactly. Maybe like 23:09, like point something. I entered at 23:09.66. So right there, I entered. That's one. 5-minute count. What was this? It was a 5-minute count. Right here.
The way you look should be a sin. You my sensation. Haven't said a word to me this evening. Cat got your tongue.
Come on, chat. My fingers are mad greasy right now. I could consider taking another sell up here. I couldn't. Up here I could consider. Or we just drive. I need to draw my ranges first. The muting made me miss this trade. I won't forget. Yeah, that's why you're... That's motivation, bro. Motivation.
Looking at my bet she give your the bone. Looking at my wrist, it'll turn your to stone. Stretch limousine, sipping rosé all alone. Double-headed monster with a mind of his own. Cherry red chariot, excess is just my character. All black tux, shoes
Lavender.
I never needed acceptance from all you outside.
Fuck is this peak version, man?
Before his mouth wired, before his jaw shattered, climbing up the Lord's ladder.
Burping my body with cross, man.
Like they don't matter. Hater talking never made me mad. Never that, not when I'm in my favorite paper tag. Therefore, G4s at the Clearport. When it come to tools, fool, I'm a pep boy. When it came to I was quick to export. Never tired of balling, so it's on to the next sport. New Mercedes sedan, the Lex Sport. So many cars, DMV thought it was mail fraud. Different traps I was getting mail from. Polk County, Jacksonville, Rake, Melbourne. Whole click appetites had tape worms spinning.
Hold on, I'm just sending the Zoom link, guys. That's what.
I shed a tear before the night's over.
God bless
the man I put the
ice over.
Getting Tupac money twice over. Still a real red Gucci sweater dice roller. I'm making love to the angel of death. Catch your feelings, never stumble, retracing my steps.
Alright, Zoom link is sent. Hi, chat. Okay. Wash my hands.
908. LA time. Back in the lab and shit. My wife said, I can't say no to nobody, and at this rate we gon' both die broke. Got friends that ask me for money knowing I'm in debt, and like my wife said, I still didn't say no. People tryna say I'm going crazy on Twitter. My friend's best advice was to stay low. I guess it's hard to decipher all of the bills, especially when you got family members on payroll. The media said it was outlandish spending. The media said he's way out of control. I just feel like I'm the only one not pretending. I'm not out of control, I'm just not in a control. I know I'm the most influential. That time cover was just confirmation. This generation's closest thing to Einstein. So don't worry about me, I'm fine. I can see 1,000 years from now in real life. Skate on a paradigm and shift it when I feel like. Control conventional thought, don't need the question. I know it's antiquated, so sometimes I get aggressive. Thank God for Jay Electra, he down with the mission. Did it with no permission, on our own conditions. Most blacks with money have been beaten to submission. Yeezy with the big house did it way different. Never listen to Hollywood producers. Don't stare at money too long, it's Medusa. The ultimate Gemini has survived. I wasn't supposed to make it past 25.
Yeah, you're looking at the church in the night sky, wondering where God's gonna say hi. Oh, you're looking at the church in the night sky, and you wondering where's God in your nightlife. Yeah, you're looking at the church in the night sky, wondering where God's gonna say hi. God, yeah, I feel like I'm on there.
I've awakened the spirits of millions more to come. 1 million illegally downloaded my truth over the drums. I believe in the children. Listen to the kids, bro. If the phone ringing, go and get your kids, ho. Brother Don Muhammad told the minister about the presentation. He sat back and smiled. Black on black lies is worse than black on black crime. The Jews share their truth on how to make a dime. Most black men couldn't balance a checkbook, but buy a new car talking about how my neck look. Well, it all looks great. 400 years later, we buying our own chains. The light is before us, brothers, so the devil working hard. Real families stick together and see through the mirage. The smoke screens, perceptions and false reality. Who the real owner if your boss gets a salary? I am one with the people. I am one with the people. I've been woken from a light and man's dream. Checking Instagram comments to crowdsource my self-esteem.
Hi, chat.
Let me not say too much or
Playing around,
do too much, cause if I'm up way too much, I'm out of touch. I'm praying an out-of-body experience will happen, so the people can see my light. Now it's not just rapping. God, I have humbled myself before the court. Dropped my ego when confidence was my last resort. I know you got a plan. I know I'm on your beams. One set of footsteps, you was carrying me. When I turned on the news and they was burying me. One set of footsteps, you was carrying me. When I was negotiating with Apple, it was Larry and me. Told Tim Cook to call me, I was scary to see. I would've took 100 million and gave 20 to hold. It's the way they did it when we only had the stove. But it's better that I stayed at home with my folks, cause if Jay a billionaire, then I'ma never go broke. Only thing I ask is next time I'm on stage, we all go. We all go.
So I'm still waiting for this one. I think this can be a good position.
Looking for niggas like where's Waldo? She got the same shoes as my wife, but she copped them at Aldo. Modern day MJ with an off the wall flow.
Night light, walk all over me. Walk all over me. I'm delivering everything I've ever said to your brain. Fly, fly, fly overseas. Fly overseas, oh. Anywhere, everything but in between. Yeah, you're looking at the church in the night sky, wondering where God's gonna say hi. Oh, you're looking at the church in the night sky, and you're wondering where's God in your nightlife. Yeah, you're looking at the church in the night sky, wondering where God's gonna say hi. Oh, you're looking at the church in the night sky, and you wondering
Literally, guys,
God in your
not like a
nightlife.
plan, just JP and live stream. Just that whenever I see it, I control when I see it. Timing was unlucky. Calamity. Alright. So, go to the higher time frames here. I think we got some data now at least. Daily, see what's going on. Daily looks very good to drive down. Daily is currently forming a... Daily is currently forming a... Yo, is the mic alright, boys? What about now? Is it better now? Is my good? Testing. Hello. It's good? Alright. So, the daily is forming a bearish structure, which is very nice. We are forming a lower high, and now currently forming a lower low. We still need to break 2088 right here to officially form a lower low, right? So once we break this, then we officially have formed a lower low and lower high, right? Which is perfect. The daily is in a bearish trend at the moment. Higher time frame is bearish trend, which means that we still have, first of all, an imbalance to fill down to at least 2,200, which I still believe is going to happen. I still believe we're going to tap 2,200, but wait, let me see here. Yeah, exactly. So 2,200 is where I think is going to tap down here. As soon as you break these lows, you're going to see a strong push. I'm considering even having sell stops at the break of these lows right here, just because that's the new lower low that's going to be formed on the daily. And as we know, the daily is going to push at least like 20, 30, 40 pips. Like at least, I'm talking it might even push 100 pips, but at least 20, 30, 40 pips before it breaks, after it breaks these lows. It's going to break these lows, going to rip down to like maybe 2270. Right, and that's going to be like a 100 pip move. So that's what I believe it's going to happen. I'm just waiting for these lows to be broken. So let me just mark these lows up real quick. Because on the lower time frame, this is going to be the bottom of a range. We'll mark that up. So yeah, just a pretty simple bearish bias on the daily. Now, got to remember the daily has a very small bottom wick or top wick. Very small top wick, but I don't think that's a problem right now. Just because the news came out bad for gold. Which means that we have a pretty strong bearish sentiment. So if this had no wick, I'd probably be a little bit more worried. Excuse me. I'd probably be a little more worried because then we might come up and compensate for it the next daily, or we might even flip and make a top wick. But since it already has a very small top wick, that probability is now gone, and we can be sure that we're probably most likely going to come down here. Let's see here on the 4 hour. Yeah. So it's a break of these lows, but the zone is more here. That's the 4 hour zone. So it's a very strong zone on the 4 that we're tapping into, that we did not manage to close below. So what I believe is going to happen here, guys, I believe we're going to wick down and then come up again today. Because I don't necessarily think I don't necessarily think you're going to break the lows within this wick. I think more that what you're gonna do is you're gonna come up on the 4 hour. You're gonna wick down first, wick down to maybe 96, 97 right here. You're gonna tap these wicks, and then you're gonna come up, close respecting, and you're gonna push up and tap up to 29 again. That's what I believe is gonna happen. That's exactly what I believe is gonna happen. So I'm gonna look for like you would be surprised, but I'm gonna look for buys, guys. Or yeah, I'm gonna look for buys on the way up. I'm gonna look for a fake out. I'm gonna look for a closure below and then a closure above. And then when we close back above, I'm gonna look for buys up to the compensation play. And the compensation play will take sells. That's what I'm gonna do. Because on the 4 hour, that's the same thing that happened here, right? You wick down and then you came up and close respecting. And I believe the same thing is gonna happen now. You're gonna wick down and then you close respecting on this current 4 hour right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. On the 4 hour at least, let's go down to the lower time frame, see what we can grab. The 4 hour is still, again, 4 hour is very bearish, but again, it's the same thing as daily. You need to break these lows to confirm a lower high or lower low. But before you do that, you still have an imbalance to fill. Right, you see? And the imbalance is to around here. Around 2319, to around this wick. This is the imbalance right here. So it's probably going to come up to probably fill this imbalance and then come down afterwards. Because they did the same thing here, right? Look at this. Look at where the wick is. And look after the push. Where did it come up? It came up to that wick exactly. Look. So there were no imbalance up here. You didn't need to fill the imbalance all the way up. You only filled the imbalance to the most recent wick, which is right here. And then you drove down. So you're going to do the same thing here. You're going to fill up to the most recent wick, which is right here. You're going to probably come up and fill to 2319.4, and then after that you're going to keep driving down. And that's where we're going to take our sells. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Yo guys, I really need to use the restroom. I'll be back in 1 minute. I swear to God. I swear to God, I'll be back in 1 minute. Don't go anywhere. Yeah, my bad, chat. Okay, we're coming down here. Yo, I can't excuse me. Yo, I can't control biology. What do you guys want me to do? When my body has to do its work, it has to do its work. What do you want me to do? Anyways, see here, let's draw some zones. Let's draw some lower time frame zones. Just at 10 minutes to be scared. No, because then everybody will leave. Then everybody will be like, 10 minutes, I can't wait 10 minutes. But if I say 1 minute, they'll be like, okay, he might come back next minute. Okay, 30 more seconds, 30 more seconds. Let's see here. So we got a zone right there at 2302, which is perfectly tabbed now. It seems to be rejecting off of. I think the next range fill is down here. So this range should get filled pretty easily. Let's see. Yep. Bad fake out right there. But I think other than that, we should be pretty good here. Yeah, we should be pretty good here, chat. That's a good range to fill. Let's see here. Otherwise, it's right around. I'll draw a bigger range right around here. Maybe not. No. I think right around here. Right around here is my next range. This is the range we filled right now. Now, if he wants to bounce, it'll probably bounce up and test the highs. So, most likely do something like this. I wouldn't be surprised if we do something like that. That's what I'm guessing is going to happen right now. Now, it looks like we have a 30-minute compensation play, but it's not really a compensation play. Right? It's not really a compensation play. Reason is, this is already expired because of the 15. So if you look at the 15, you see how it already tapped it? That's why. So the next compensation play we're looking for is slightly above this range right here. This is the compensation play I'll take. Even though we came up and tapped it, I'm still going to take it. Reason being is it's a retest and we have so much bearish pressure. And it's also an imbalance fill. So that's why I'm willing to take this one. So yeah, I'll wait for that for the sells. So we take sells up here. Oh, rejected perfectly off of that 2302 level. What I think now is going to happen, let's see, do I have any smaller ranges in the middle? Well, not really. That's a good range, guys. I might make this higher though. Or not. We do have some fake outs here. I'll do this. I'll do a minor resistance here, or minor support. Let's see, if the 5 closes above 2307, we should be good to drive up and retest the highs. And potentially get a sell at 2014. But again, guys, you gotta remember, we have to push 100 pips to get that level. So it's not secure. It's not like 100% we're gonna get it. We might get it, but if the 5 closes above 2306 here, 0.8, we might get it. We might get it. $30 minute just opened up. Yeah, filling the wick down. The 30 minute is gonna flip. Yep. Yeah, that's a good reversal pattern. That's a good reversal pattern. Should be able to come up here pretty easy. Okay. Very volatile market, guys. Very volatile market. Otherwise, just a closure below 32, 23.02 should be 23.02 should also be pretty good for sells. What the fuck just happened? Okay, so like a closure below here. Closure below here should be good to fill the range down. If you look at the past, we always fill those ranges. And here's an explanation why I have the yellow line. The yellow line is a safety line, meaning it does fill the range, but not always. Sometimes it fakes out, and that's why we have the safety line, because safety line is where it fakes out. So for example, if it closes right here, we can take the sells down all the way to the yellow line, and at the yellow line we'll secure profits. We'll secure profits at the yellow line, and we'll also move stop loss to break even, because in the past it might or might not reject here. Might also fill the range down, like here. But this is a minor resistance. That's why we have the yellow line. So we'll look for sells if you don't close below, too close to the yellow line. So if we close here, if we close like somewhere here, I'm not going to take it. But if we close like somewhere here, I'll take the sells down happily. It all depends on what we wanted to close on the upper half of this range right here, this small range on the upper half right here, not down here. That's how I wanted to close. That's a 5. Same idea on the 15, yeah. Unfortunately, we had the 30 closure and the 30-day closure respecting, so in my opinion, we should be able to drive up here. I think we should be able to drive up here. I thought one of the rules was it has to be within 6 candles or it's invalid. Yeah, that is one of the rules, but let's see, how many candles are we up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, but you know, if we breach your rules, I mean, here's the thing with the rules, alright? The rules are there as parameters. There's parameters. They're there to just show you the way. But if the way is very, very clear, you sometimes can ignore the rules. Some of them, not always. If there are too many red flags, then no, then you leave it. But if you have such a clear direction and there are other confluences as well, then you can still take a position with breaching one of the rules. So for example, right here, this would probably most likely play out. Why? Not just because it's a competition play, but because it's a retest as well. It's a retest. It's most likely a liquidity grab right above the range. And on the higher time frames, we're so bearish, right? So it's not necessarily right. It's not necessarily that you always have to follow the rules. It's just you have to know when to follow the rules and when to not follow the rules, because the rules are there as parameters, but you have to confluence it with other market concepts like liquidity grabs, like for example, like trend identifications. For example, higher highs, higher lows. You need to be able to look. Okay, this is most likely going to be a lower high. When we come up here, that's most likely a lower high, then continue to come down, right? So yeah. Like, trading is so multi-layered, guys. You have the compensation plays, and then you combine the compensation plays with maybe support and resistance. Maybe you look at the trend line. Maybe you look at where liquidity is situated at. Maybe you look like. The compensation play doesn't work on itself. It can work on itself, but it's best to confluence with other things. Depending on your comfortability with the play and testing, sometimes you can take a B setup. Yeah. Yeah, it all depends on how good you are with it. Right, the better you are with it, the more you can kind of bend it. Bend the rules a little bit. No, nothing wrong with that. I had a question earlier that said, Yeah, somebody asked about the stories that I posted yesterday on Instagram. Yes, my strategy will very likely be automated. That's first. We're working on that behind the scenes. Can't say too much about that, but something is cooking behind the scenes. Something real nice is cooking behind the scenes, guys. Like money glitch. Anyways, and then we have the WIC course, which is probably gonna come out, I don't know, maybe in like 2 months. A little closer to the summer. Yeah. Yeah, like I said here, guys, we're probably gonna push up. Let's see, let's see if 5 can close above 2306. If 5 can close above 2306, we should be good to drive up and test the highs again. The VIP member just got a signal, by the way. You guys know. Damn, chat. I just got a letter. Private and confidential. What the fuck is this? I think they finally caught me, guys. They finally caught me for tax evasion. Your essay? I don't know. One of us at least. Yeah, this should probably push up here, guys. We can get some nice sells at 14. 15 is about to close nicely. The 5 did close above. Should be able to push up pretty easily here. What is the chart doing, bro? Nothing, man. The chart is charting. It looks good to me, honestly. This price action is not bad. I like to try this. I like to trade this kind of price action. Like no cap. This type of price action is really good for no weak plays and competition plays. What a push, chat. Holy shit, what a push, chat. Alright, that's a quick 50 pips for the signals. WSA. Fastest swing trade ever. Damn, that was a crazy push out of nowhere.
We have to write another line of history.
Hi chat. Let's see here. We should be able to push up pretty hard here. At 23.14 we should be able to get some nice sells. Let's see. Yeah, W position. That's what. If you guys wonder why I was quiet, I was literally in a position. I took SA signal. That's why I was quiet. I was kind of focused. Yeah, I felt like 40 pips. I'm looking dumb for the day, bro. I'm gonna try to give y'all one stream as well the trade. Don't worry, guys. I got y'all. I'm gonna give y'all the first loser of the day. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. We're gonna get a nice trade here very soon. Hey, you didn't see my question, Bardo. That's why you get your likes to answer my questions and up. What was your question? You think it's the same thing? Do you think it's the same thing taking one position at 0.1 at one lot and taking various position at 0.05 lot or 0.15 lot? I think it's probably better to take multiple positions. I think it's better to take, instead of taking one lot, taking maybe 3 positions at 0.3 or taking 4 positions at 0.25. I think that's a better option to go. Why? Because you can get a better average entry. Let's say instead of taking one position here, you take one position here and take one position here and one position here, and then you lay your positions all the way through that range or through the resistance. Because if you have a rejection area like here, for example, you can take a position here, here, here. Like you can take a position all the way through that resistance, which means that you get a better average entry. Yeah. I think it's much better to take a bunch of small positions. Because then you can hedge. Not hedge, you can you can get a better average entry basically. You Donvo wannabe? I don't know, but I don't take 200 pip losses, but good try. Why don't you go to the real one? Yo, David, you seem to be here a lot, man. Yo, I know you like me, David. I know you like me, David. Stop playing with me. Hey, Bart, I'm thinking of buying the singles and discounts soon. No, probably not. They're probably not going to be any discount soon. We've had so many discount, boys. Like, so many discounts. We have like a new discount every week. So it's gonna be a while for the next discount. Just so you guys know. Damn, we almost got ourselves, bro. 7 pips away from getting ourselves. We almost got a position, boys. 7 pips away. You're done for one piece. Stop screaming. You're done. You're done. Nah, bro. I'm just getting warmed up. What do you mean? Hey. How will news affect the compensation? It will fucking obliterate it. That's what it will do. Guys, technical analysis is great, but when it comes to news and fundamentals, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, unfortunately. So yeah, you can have the compensation. You can have the best compensation play with all the 6 rules checked off, with all the confluences in the world. But whenever there's news, whenever there's fundamentals playing into it, all those technical analysis stuff goes out the window. News and diamonds could really send it high. Let's see. You guys are you guys still in the position? Yo, who's still in the S6 position? Me. All right, guys, you might be good. Yo, the people that are still in the position might be in for a good one. You guys might be in for a good one. Yeah. Majority of I'm still left with runners. Yeah, guys, these runners might sprint, not even run. These runners might sprint. Running 85 pips at the moment, but occasional losses. That's a part of the game, man. How much will the stop loss be? For what? Stop loss for what? Actually, to be honest, just because I like being loyal, because Dawn was the first and I learned to read candles, but I feel more confident with Bardo here. I stopped watching Dawn. Hey, I appreciate that, my guy. I appreciate that. I really do. I'm glad you're here. Ah, you guys might get stopped out. I'd break even though. Yeah, it's a tough one, boys. It's a tough one. It's really sad that she didn't survive. Or might not survive. Let's see. The only way you enter news, boys, or the only way you stay in a position during news is with runners and stop loss to break even. That's the only way, guys. That's the only way. Oh, fuck, man. I spilled Coke. Hold on one second. That's like, it's like, you guys know my favorite position to be in is stops at break even before news. That's my favorite position to be in. Why? Because it's like being at the casino. It's like being at the casino. And it's like, no, it's like playing blackjack and then risking some of your profits. It's like that. So you're not losing anything. You're only losing some of the profit. But the upside is still huge. That's why I love those positions. Bard, mark up your position? What do you mean? Oh, the SA position. Alright, let me see what my entry was. 2307.8 was my entry. Now let me see. Yeah, but I haven't moved off to break even yet. I'm planning to move off to break even right before news. So I knew it would probably come down first before news. Let's see here. This is a VIP signal, by the way, guys. This is not my signal. This is a signal from the VIP channel from the other QTC trader. It's not my signal. It's not my trade. It's just something I took. Yeah, usually when there's before news, guys, I never move stops to break even right before news. Or like 5 minutes or like 10 minutes before news. Because price likely will push down. Let's see here. I might even get stopped out here. I gotta survive 2 minutes. Are you still with FTMO? Yes. I just had 2 minutes here, chat. This 5 does not have a bottom wick. That's a... Cancel the sell limit at 2314. Yeah. Sell limit? I didn't say sell limit, bro. I said we're gonna sell there. But yeah, cancel that position. Alright, 1 minute to chat. I'm gonna tighten my stop loss a little bit. And then move stops to break even right before. I put it like 6 pips. There's no way I get stopped up before news. I'm sure I'm gonna move my stop loss back down. Okay, good, good. Push up, push up. It's 45 seconds. I didn't get stopped out yet. Okay, chat. Never mind. Yeah, I got stopped out. I got stopped out at like, oops, yeah. Damn it, news. Ah, it is what it is. I tried, chat. I tried. I tried, chat. I got 1% this trade. The trade now? There's no way you took the trade now. This was This is not a trade, guys. This was a trade I was already in, that I closed that I already closed half. Was it profit? Yes. Yo, I can't. I mean, good job, I guess. Good job, I guess, bro. Bro literally took the position. That's insane. You know how wrong that could have gone, bro? Yo, I'm so happy for you, man. But you know how bad that could have gone? Like, that could have gone so bad for you. Was it paying attention? Okay, damn. Yo. That's crazy. That's crazy, chat. That's why we gotta have sound on, man. That's crazy, chat. The fact that he took that. Oh, man, got the balls of steel, bro. Man, you really trust me, bro. Yeah, that's a biggest sign of trust, man. I appreciate you, man. Go took a position with me 30 seconds before news. Is there an indicator indicating the candles with no wicks? Please tell us the name of the indicator. Yeah, X-Ghost wickless candles. But we will have a special QTC indicator which is coming out very soon. We're just beta testing it right now, but we will have a special QTC indicator which will show. It will show the it will show the candles with no wicks. It will also show the compensation place. It will show a checkbook where you'll have the rules, and the indicator will show you automatically if the rules are checked or not. It will show you the support and demand, supply and demand together with the positions. Yeah, it'll be really good. I'll show you if it's with the trend, blah blah. So yeah, just stay on the lookout for that, chat. It's gonna be fire. Damn, the spoiler? Nah, it's basically almost done. Basically almost done. It's gonna be free, probably for the tiered, but I don't know. We haven't looked at it yet. We haven't thought about how we were gonna release it. News was booty. Yep. Everyone liked the stream. This is one of the most profitable copy trade streams. 4K reach, do something. Wait, did we actually reach 4K? Hey, let's fucking go, chat. Let's fucking go, chat. W, man. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Hold on. Now I have to look a little nicer. This we hit 4K. I was like, okay, maybe it's time to. Sorry, guys. Congrats, man. Thank you, Vivian. Appreciate you. Guys, it's not often that I pop out one of these. It's not often. It's only on special occasions like these when we had a milestone. Kinda looks good though. I mean, yo, maybe I should have these every stream, man. I look so professional. Yo, I look so professional, chat. God damn. I know, like, I can save you 14% of your car insurance. I was just gonna top hat to go with it. Yeah. Next time. Next milestone. You look like white Pablo Escobar. Nah. We'll get a good buy opportunity of 17 pips from 14.7. $14.7. Right here. Just right above that compensation. Alright. You're entering Bard? Oh yeah, the signal was just sent. The VIP signal was just sent. I think I'm late. Let me see. Yeah, I'll wait for it to come down a little bit, then I enter. Maybe at like, I'll look for it to come down maybe at 95 and I'll enter. Or maybe even 22.99. If not, then I'll just miss out, but I want to come a little further down. You really believe it's gonna go below 2,300s? Not with, I mean, yeah, just looking at pure price action, it does look like we want to come down below. To be honest with you. So yeah, I do believe so. I do believe so. Got some 4K Barnino. Thank you, Jack. Appreciate you, man. Definitely told you yesterday. Yeah. Already happened. Yeah, I might take the buys a little later. Yeah, one sec. Alright, come down to chat. Let's see. Might get some good buy entries soon. At around 95, probably. I'm looking for. Might also reject here because it is a minus support. It had rejected here in the past, and it's probably gonna mirror this move because if you look at the past, you guys see this move right here. Look where he came from. Look where he came from. Look where he rejected. Look where he rejected. And here you came up like 100 pips. Chances are something like that. Yeah. Oh, this 15 is most likely gonna flip and make a steeper top bottom wick. It'll go below 2300. What I mean was stay at those price levels for the month, like this last month we were ranging between. Yeah, Dude, it depends so much on the war, man. It depends so much on the war, bro. I can't say for sure. But I still like just if I just disregard the geopolitics, which is stupid to do, but let's say we do that. I would say pure price action wise, looking at the daily, it looks like you want to break the lows right here and create and continue the trend. Right, continue the trend by creating a lower high or lower low. That's what it looks like to me, at least. Right, so it looks like you want to Break this low, come down, and create a lower low. That's what it looks like to me. Yeah. Looking at daily, seems like we already tapped the top. You made this top right here, you failed to break it. Came up, filled most of the imbalance. And right here, you also filled most of the imbalance because you did have an imbalance here, right? You see this candle, this whole big, huge red candle? You see that big, huge red candle? Look where we came and tapped it. Right? You just came and tapped it at, you just came and filled the imbalance. And after you filled the imbalance, then you came down. And what we'll do now is you probably might see the same thing. So you might see us break the lows, come down. And after you break those come down, you might see us come up, fill the imbalance to around this wick right here. And then come down even further. And then start trading within this range right here. I do think we're going to probably start trading within this range right here. From 2,300 to 2,200. Pure price action wise, is what it looks like. Error occurred with the output. Please check. What? Ah, it is what it is. Yeah, chat. Damn, another 43 pips caught for this for the VIP members. Holy shit. Alright, the VIP members are eating today. Holy shit, chat. Good shit, good shit, good shit. Yeah. You guys remember the assessment I just did? Like, I did it like 10 minutes ago. Alright, what was the assessment? It was, we looked at historical price action, right? Just listen to this, guys. If you want to learn trading, please listen to this. History always repeats itself. Okay, so what did we do? We didn't know what was going to happen here. We had a hard time. So we looked at how did price react? How did price react historically in these levels, right? That's what we did. So what we did was we looked, okay, whenever we came from 2014 areas, 2314 areas, 2314 areas, right here, okay? Came from the same areas, 2340, 2314, okay? Where did we tap and where did we reject to? Okay, so here we came down and we rejected right off of this yellow line right here, this minor resistance. And what did we do here? We came down, rejected right off of this minor resistance. Where did we come up to? We came up to around 2310. So what you can expect us to come up to 2310 and then sell off again. Really easy assessment, played out to a T. That's what I'm saying, guys. So, just remember that. That's the assessment. History always repeats itself within the market, within real life, whatever it is. Price usually, or history always repeats itself. It's the same thing now. Let's hear chat. Seven or 15 minutes still has time to flip, so don't be too sure that we're not going to flip. I still think we're gonna might be able to come up and tap somewhere here, but I think we should be able to flip on the 15th. Remember, guys, the higher time frames are still very bearish. Higher time frames are still very bearish. It looks like you tapped some sort of double bottom here on the 4 hour. So we'll see about we'll see. I still think we gotta come down though. More after we make a topic. For sure. How to join your XAU signals like VIP? Go to Discord and check the VIP or check the link in bio. Link in my bio. Never mind, I don't even have the link in my bio. Never mind. Just go to Discord. How much is it? You'll have to go to Discord, man. But yeah, let's hear it, chat. Hard to look for positions right now. I'm trying my best to see if we can grab something, but we had something here, but we came 5 pips away from it, which is a bummer. We were really close to getting in these cells, which would have landed us a lot of pips, but we came 5 pips away, and the market teased us, and that's how it is sometimes. But yeah, on stream, the stream has been. I think the market is watching the stream because we're getting teased a lot on stream lately. I've been noticing that. Like, we get things like this happen all the time, where we just come 5 pips away. But we'll see your chat. Now, I have a hard time knowing what's gonna happen now. What I could say is I still think we're gonna come down further. So this might be the top wick, or the top wick is gonna come up to around 2310. But I don't think we're gonna come further than 2310 before driving down again. That's what I believe. I believe we're gonna probably drive down from here, most likely. It looks like the 5 is retesting. It also closed respect, slightly respecting. Yeah. How much pips do you cover in a day? Sometimes 100, sometimes 50, sometimes 10, sometimes 200. You know, it all depends on day to day. Can't say for sure. But I think we're averaging around, I don't know, 80, say 80, 90 pips a day. Let's see your chat. Let's see your chat. Alright, we have a 30 closure in 4 minutes. Can we get a no wick play down? If we get a top wick on the 30 minute with no bottom wick, I'll happily take some nice sells. Happily. Let's see if we get that. I have 3 minutes to chat. We've seen about to flip after a big top wick. Let's see at 30. 2 minutes left. You think just flipped? You ready, boys? Lock in chat. Damn, even this flip would have landed us like 15 pips. That's crazy. The volume is insane. Alright, we just need a no-wick play now. Please, Lord. Please give us a no-wick play. Come on now. What do you think? What do you guys think, guys? Are we gonna get a no-wick play? Are we gonna get the 30 no-wick play? Are we gonna get the no-wick play, chat? Three seconds. Go on then, gold. Go on then, gold. Never mind. We didn't get a top. We didn't get a no top wick or no bottom wick. It is what it is, chat. Yeah, you're close below. You're probably gonna fill the range down. So what I'm thinking now, you're probably gonna either flip and come up and then fill the range down afterwards, or gonna fill the range down and then you're gonna come up afterwards. Something like that's gonna happen. I'll be looking for some good buys down here. Price is very balanced, guys. Have you guys noticed? Price has been very balanced. We have pushed a lot, but every time we push, you always come up and balance out the market. So here you pushed a lot, but then you came up and balanced out. And then you pushed a lot again, and then you came up and balanced it out with this wick. The market is very balanced, guys. The market is very, very balanced. So be ready, chat. F. Why F? Oh. Oh, okay. Are we back? We're not back? Do I have to restart the fucking stream? Don't say I have to restart the stream. The music is turned off. I don't know. It should be able to come back. The stream should come back here. Stream is back. Alright, we're back. Stream is back. Alright, we're back. Fucking Mo Calamity, man. I thought me and Mo were cool. I really thought me and Mo were cool. She goes and she does me like this, man. Guess I'll have to play some Japanese fucking lo-fi then. God damn it. I'm so tired of lo-fi, guys. You guys don't even know. I hear lo-fi in my sleep. Yo, everybody who's on Twitch, hop back to YouTube, bro. I see you reading Twitch chats. This wouldn't be too bad at all for buys, guys. All right, guys. Are you guys ready? Big Discord. Yo, people are, yo, that's crazy, man. Hungry, they want to eat. All right, I'll wait for this 15 to make a bottom wick, and then we'll enter some buys, guys. Some quick buy scalps. All right, next position. My next position is gonna be really fast, guys. We might catch some scalps. Let's see. I'm looking for buys. Look for us to break the lows again, and then I'm looking for buys. If the next 15 comes down and breaks the lows, I'll take buys from around 95. Let's see if we get it here. Hold on, give me 1 sec. Why your stream is off for a few seconds? More calamity. Damn, alright, Sneha, you actually took it. Oh, okay, my bad. My bad, didn't know. Are we gonna take it again? Yes. If we get a bottom wick here on this next 15, I'm gonna take the buys. Honestly, the bottom wick slightly break the lows though. I don't want the bottom wick to come down somewhere here. Check this after stream. All right. Damn, we're gonna know bottom wick instead. Let's see now. Let's see if we get some nice buys. I'm gonna have buy limits here, guys, by the way. That's actually a good idea. In case I have to end stream. We don't have buy limits. I just put that. Or stop doesn't. Okay, I just sent the signal. But yeah, I'm having this is my position. Hold on, my stop loss is wait, chat. Yeah, stop loss is 2387, 2287, bro. I keep typing it wrong. 2287. That's gonna be my buy limit, like this. That's gonna be the buy limit that I have. You guys have everything you need on screen. The buy limit is at 2291.6 or 0.5. 0.5 right there. Stop loss is 2288, 2287.7, and take profit is going to be right above these highs at 2297. I said the third is about to flip here. I 30 flipped, made a pop wick, and it's probably flipping back now. Let's see. Yeah, you'll have to break above 2304 for me to consider it bullish again. This is just a retest in my eyes. It's a retest on the 5 on pretty much every time frame. It's a quick retest. Most likely coming down here. 15 has very small bottom wick. The 15 might flip. 30 is opening in 9 minutes. New 30 is opening in 9 minutes. We have to wait for that as well. Yeah. See your chat. Let's see what the 30 goes. That's the hourly as well, right? Yeah. Alright, we got an hourly closure in 9 minutes. The hourly might get us something very nice. Need a top weight on the hourly. Once you buy at 22.95 Bard, we didn't quite come down as deep as I wanted us to. I wanted us to come down to 94.9. I wanted to come down like a little further, like bottom of this range right here. Somewhere there, so we didn't quite get there because I wanted us to break that lows right here. I wanted us to come down here, and here I would take my buys. Since we didn't do that, yeah, no, I stayed out because I wanted us to grab some stop orders and grab some extra liquidity right below that low. There's a lot of people are buying here. But you literally wrote buy here, Wix, and you didn't take it, you would have gotten the best entry. Yeah, I know. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. But when I say buy here, I don't mean at that line. I mean in this area. Talking about this area. That's where I want to buy, and it all depends on how we tap it. In this case, we tapped it, but I wanted to tap it deeper because I wanted us to grab some stop orders right below that bottom right there. That's why I didn't take it. So yeah. But again, like I always say, my levels are undefeated, guys. My levels are undefeated. My zones are undefeated. Tap rejection, tap rejection, tap rejection, tap rejection, retest rejection, guys. Closure below, drive. Guys, I think I have the best support and resistance in the game. If I'm completely honest, I'm certain I have the best support and resistance in all of trading. Bard, my buy limit is at 92.2 and stop was at 90, which I consider. For result of yesterday's trade, 40 pips. We caught 40 pips. You have the best after me. Who the fuck is this guy? I'm joking. Maybe you have it better than me. I don't know, bro. Hey. Hey, Morpho. Where's Claudia? I don't know. Claudia left me. Claudia left us, chat. Michael is fuming. The only woman left. He's mine. Hell no, Jack. Today. What was today's trade that we took? Oh, that's wrong. Can I buy a 5,000 funded account or instead deposit $40 in my real account? What's it? Funded, bro. Funded, man. What are you going to do with $40 in a live account, bro? What do you do? Planning to make $1 a day? If only this 15 had no bottom wick. Ah, come on now. I started with $50. I'm at 110 in a few days. Yeah, because you're over risking, bro. You're over risky, bro. 100% increase in a few days is over risking. Are we in? Nope, we're not in here. I'm waiting for 2291. Hey, let's go, Mercat. Vamos. You stuck to the position. What series can trades usually? On my live, 2 to 5%, 1 to 5%. On my funded, max 2%, depending on if I'm in profit or not. Might get activated, chat. You ready? If it rejects heavy here, I'm gonna delete the sell stop, sell limit. If it rejects heavy here. Ah, damn it, chat. Why is it rejecting here, man? Alright, chat, come on now. It's finding some sort of resistance support here. Yeah, it's finding some sort of support here, boys. I don't know what it is. Yeah, chat. Find some sort of support here. So close, man. We missed the rejection point. We miscalculated the rejection point completely. For some reason. According to my calculations, the rejection point should be around 2291.6. Why are we rejecting here? I honestly don't understand. Why are we rejecting here? There's nothing to reject off of. What the actual fuck? Demand zone? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. This buy limit just became much more dangerous because now we actually pull back. The dangerous thing here is, guys, we are finding some sort of support. Meaning, if we break this support, we should be able. We should technically push down pretty heavy since it's support. Right? We wanted support to be here. We wanted to find support somewhere here, not here. Because if you find support here and then you break, it means you're gonna drive. Bro, what is this candle? What the hell? What is this candle, man? Flips 50 times. We might get activated here, though, chat. Pushing up. Alright, chat. I'm gonna delete sell stops. Sell limit. Buy limits. There's not, because the idea of the buy limit. Yeah, I'm deleting the buy limits. The idea of the buy limit was that was the rejection point, but we missed the rejection point completely because the rejection point was apparently over here for some dumbass reason. So yeah, we missed the rejection point and now it rejected off of there, which means that it found support, and if it found support and then it's going to break the support, it means that we're going to probably push down to the next area, which is apparently not here. So yeah. Sorry guys. Almost got a position though. Yeah, Chad, we'll see here. We'll see here if we get something, but it doesn't want to give us anything. We had... yeah, the market is playing with the stream, chat. The market is playing with the stream, because we have... This has happened now. For the past few streams. Here, we almost got a position. But guess what? It decided to just reject 5 pips away. Here, we almost got a position. But guess what? It decided to reject just before. This was the only play that we got. We caught one play today and it was this. That was the only play we caught. Around 40 pips. And that wasn't in stream. That was literally 5 minutes before I started stream. I sent the signal. 5 minutes before stream starts. So it was very unfortunate for the stream people. So yeah. But you guys know it'll turn around eventually. Eventually the market will turn around and we'll start having these crazy win streaks again. But yeah, I mean, if you guys are part of the signals, you had an amazing day. SA sent like fucking 100 pop plus pip signals. I sent the signals with 40 pips. Like the signals has been crazy. This today. $22.98 for a quick short ain't that bad. $22.98. I'd say 20. I'd say 23.02. On the let's looking at the hourly because this is the hourly time frame. So I'd say somewhere here, but you should look for results. It'll of course that high. Well, that's what I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna say any lower than that. Because it's the 1 hour that the rules right now. It's the 1 hour that rules because it's the 1 hour that has a very small bottom wick, and it's the 1 hour that is pulling back. Right now, the 1 hour is the time frame that rules. So no. Let's see here. What's the time? 5. I might call it the day here early, guys. Because I gotta go and celebrate some sort of Swedish fest. Yeah. I must have closed stream earlier. And no stream tomorrow, by the way, guys. No stream tomorrow. Tomorrow there is no stream. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. Chat. Let me be completely honest with you, chat. I feel like lately, you guys haven't been asking enough questions. I feel like in the beginning when I started streaming, like, oh, what is liquidity? How do you spot this? How does this play work? How does this work? Nowadays, you guys just come here, you talk shit, and you ask when I'm gonna buy and sell. The education of the stream has gone down. That's what I feel. So I think you guys should ask more questions. I think you guys should try to learn more, because back in the day, I remember all I had was questions, and it was a very informative stream. Nowadays, it's almost like you're just waiting for a signal. So yeah, chat. That's all I'm gonna say. I feel like you guys should ask more questions because I like teaching, and I think it's more helpful to the new viewers as well. Bart is upset. No, I'm just a little, you know. I'm just a little. All right. Like I stream, I'm like, okay, let me try to get a nice position. So yeah, guys, I'm just encouraging you boys to ask questions that you try to learn. That's all I do. Because all I want to do, I just want to teach. Sending signals, I don't like sending signals, guys. It's not my hobby sending signals. I just do it because it's a service. But what I love doing is I love teaching about the market. That's what I love doing. That's why I started the channel. I started Quality Traders Club to educate traders. Yeah. Now I understand why you're so well dressed. Yeah, I tried. I tried to look like a teacher. Let's make a deal, Bard. We ask smarter and better questions, and then as a reward, you increase the win rate. We got a deal. We got a deal, bro. We got a deal. We should only talk about trading levels, not from where buy, where sell. That's fine too, but like, ask it in a like, why are you looking to buy here, Bard? Or what is the reason behind this trade? Or are you not considering the support that you're buying at? Or you know, like Yeah, you know what I mean. Is SA an alien? Yes. It literally landed on my garden. You know how ET like came down like ET and I found it in my garden. It is from Mars or something. Because we learned so much already, pal. Oh, if that's the case, then nice. It's interesting how most people just want to make money and don't want to actually learn to be a trader, right? I learned so much from you kids. How to call this kid? The cleavage. Wait, I hit chest yesterday, boys. Oh, don't make me rip this shirt, chat. When we go bye. Okay. Abby Ali asked a great question. So why, look at the 15-minute candle, its current buy limit still valid? Okay, so why is the buy limit still not valid? The reason the buy limit is still not valid is because, like with the compensation play, we already made the move that we were expecting to catch our pips from. So we were expecting us to reject off of this level. This was where we were, because the price was just free falling, right? Price was free falling, and we were expecting that. We were trying to predict where it's gonna find support. That's why we wanted to buy from here, because we predicted that this is where it's gonna find support, right? And since it didn't find support was apparently a little higher, and it found support here instead. This means that we already rejected and made the move that we wanted to catch from here, but we just made it here, so we missed it, right? So now it means that, okay, what we do, okay, we move. So maybe our support is up here instead. Here's the support. So that means that if we break the support, we're probably going to move heavy down to our next support, which is even further down. And that would probably invalidate our position and take our stop loss. Right? Because if we break the support, then you kind of move down to the next big area, which is, I don't know. I have to check, but which is probably somewhere down here. 89ers. Probably 89. That's why. That's why. Whenever you're trying to get a position, guys, whenever you're trying to get a sell or a buy, if price already makes the move that you were wanting to catch, but it just didn't make it from the exact area, that means that your position is probably invalidated. I ask questions when I don't understand, but you are good at explaining everything before, while, and after you analyze or consider trades. Some may agree with me on that. Oh, okay, in that case, then yeah. How many lots should be traded on a gold with 50k account? 50k account, like 0.3 maybe? 0.2 lots maybe? Yeah, I'd say 0.2 to 0.3 lots. Because now I grab more liquidity up. Exactly. That's right, Sindra. It's exactly that, because of that. So what happened is, when you drive down like this, you usually need to grab liquidity. Come down further. So what happened here is, you came down, and you had no more liquidity to drive down. You had no more gas in your tank. So what do? You're coming up now to grab some gas, fill up with gas to grab some liquidity, and then drive down. Which means that after you have this liquidity, the chance that you grab liquidity just like 10 pips below, or like where we want to take our price, which is at 90, the chance that you just grab liquidity down here, or you just push down here, is very low. You're probably going to push through. Now you have gas. That's why, but we missed the gas stop, or we missed the point where the gas was gonna be empty. My advice, lot size 0.1 to make profits for 1 month, then up to 0.2 for whatever. Okay, yeah, that's a good, solid advice as well. Buy or sell Bard? I'm gonna answer bearish if I'm bearish or bullish. And right now I'm still bearish. See the daily? Ooh. Might have sell stops at daily lows. Yeah, chat, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do, chat. I'm gonna have sell stops at the daily lows. You should see a pretty heavy push. Because now you grab liquidity, right? So now that those are valid. I wouldn't take this position if we just pushed down, because then we would have been overextended by the time we got there. But now since we rejected here, grabbed the liquidity, filled up the gas with tank. Filled the tank with gas. After we break the lows, we should have enough power to push down to the next levels. So yeah, I'm having sell stops at the daily break of the lows, because that's gonna be the creation of our lower low. Get the gas for tanks now. Apparently. Sell stop. Here, sell stop is gonna be at 2291.4. Only 4.35. Safe. Stop loss will be probably up at 96. 2290. Oh, disk space. You're running out of space on this PC, man. Yeah, you know why? Because for some fucking reason, everything is connected to my C disk. Anyways. 2296. Here will be probably at, let's see here, where's the next area? Oops. Watch out, look at this a little lower, somewhere here. $5.9. Alright, that's the position. Why did it take me so long? Alright. Alright. That is a position. You're probably about my son's age. That's why I say I'm impressed with you kids. And I mean that in a super positive way. Building characters in this. I appreciate that, man. Thank you. Bard, if this wasn't signal, doesn't make me rich, I'm done. Bard is also 5'3" cap. That's David. Bro has some syndrome. He looks young as he grows. Yo, Chad, you're overrated as fuck, man. Leave me be, bro. Leave me alone. Yo, just wait till I have a beard, guys. It'll be over. Yo, enjoy whatever relationship with whatever female. Enjoy it, because when I have a beard, it's over for everybody. Okay, I'm telling y'all, whenever I have a beard, stay inside. Okay, don't leave the house, because it's over for anybody. So, count your days. Count your days, chat. Anyways, somebody said analyze the sell. Okay, so why did I take the sell? Because it is the daily continuation, which means that the daily will break the lows, which means that the daily will create a lower low. And usually, let's see here. Here, the daily broke the highs to continue the trend. Push for 200 pips. Let's see another one. Here, the daily broke the highs to continue the trend. Here, the daily broke the highs, continue the trend. Here, the daily broke the lows to continue the trend. You guys see? You guys see how every single time the daily makes a continuation, you usually push very hard? That is why we're taking sells. We're taking the sells because on the higher time frames, on the daily time frame, usually when you break the lows or break the highs to continue the trend, it means that you're going to push onto the next area. And another reason is, since we already found those support here and we grab liquidity, it means that we should have enough liquidity to push on to the next area. And the next area is then down at 88 or 87. Somewhere right here. Just because you grab liquidity. If we didn't grab liquidity, I wouldn't have taken this. Reason being is we were very overextended and we had not grabbed liquidity yet. We had not made a pullback, because when price doesn't just push, right? Price pushes, pulls back, pushes, pulls back, right? And we were waiting for that pullback to then be sure that once we break the lows, we can drive to the next area, which is wherever it is. But that's why we took it. Yeah, I hope you understood that, bro. It's just a trend continuation. It's just breaking the lows to continue the trend, to confirm the bearish trend. And since it's on the higher time frames, it's on the daily, it's probably going to push a lot of pips. Are you still in? No, I have a sell stop. So where are the sell? 2290.8 is a sell stop. Told you yesterday, news is gonna melt it down. Bard versus David basketball match. Listen, if me and David had a basketball match, first of all, I feel like David's gonna play basketball like a football player. He's not gonna have the height, so he's gonna just fucking ram into me and break my ribs. You know those short, meaty guys when you play basketball against them? Fucking kill you, man. I hate playing against players like that. Swedish meatballs are far superior though? Yeah, bro. Can you explain when you have experienced strong daily rejections? Can you explain when you have experienced strong daily rejections when you were not expecting from experience? I mean, to be frank with you, usually I don't think I've ever had an unexpected daily rejection. Perhaps this one, for example, when it just rejected off of nowhere. But if you look at the lower time frames, let's mark this up. Look at the lower time frames. Let's see why it rejected there. See? Or no, actually no. There's no reason for it to reject it. So this was a weird rejection right here. But this was during news, most likely. Yeah, this was during Asia Open. This was news. Yeah, usually I don't have the daily price action is very clean. Except these pushes like these. I think this is, I remember this, guys. This is the 1 minute, remember the 1 minute like 200 pip candle? It was this. I remember this. Right as Asia opened. I remember this, guys. This was actually crazy. But yeah, I mean, no, usually I don't have any, there are no daily rejections, which usually surprise me. It's usually at good areas. Like, for example, this daily rejection here was right at this wick on the other side of this fat candle. It was just a imbalance fill, an imbalance fill. Anything here, this was a wick fill down. Did not break the lows and then drive up, right? So yeah. Bart, how old are you? I feel like you're gonna be younger than I assume. I'm 21. I'm 21 years of age. Bart, where were the glasses? Which glasses, guys? I have a shit ton of glasses. I have these. I can't put these. I can't put them on too long though, because I might push the market down and we might hit TP too quick. And I don't want that. But then I have these, which are my smart glasses. So whenever I put these on, my IQ points go up by 20. So then I'm at 220 IQ once I put those on. And then I have these, which is when I move extremely fast. This is when I move really fast. Like, I'm talking flash speeds. I'm talking Mach fucking 7. Alright? Different glasses for different occasions. These are usually my news glasses. And whenever there's news, like FOMC or something, I put on these glasses just so I can handle the speed. Yeah, whenever these glasses, you guys know, these glasses are only out in times of high stress and in times of turmoil. When we're about to hit stop loss, I put these glasses on and we push the markets single-handedly. And then these are just my normal smart glasses. Want to be smart. Yeah, those are my glasses. Anyways. Or can you pose for us or emoji? Nah, man. Yo, they have to be natural. You can't order the poses. The poses have to be natural. Taking that sell up for 15 pips. No, I'm probably taking it for about 40 or 50 pips. The white ones should wear during analysis. I know you guys like these ones, bro. I know you guys like these ones. It's hard not to like them. Like, they're fucking fire, bro. Yeah, I can see into the future with these glasses. But it's not really fair, right? It's not really fair. That's why the FBI has been at my door. They're like, yo, are you the guy time traveling? I'm like, nah, man, I don't know what you're talking about. For example, I can see David is about to type L streamer in about 10 minutes. Or in less than 10 minutes. Yeah. I can also see that NJ is about to get banned in 30 seconds. So yeah, I can see the future with these glasses. For stop loss is at 22.96. 22.96 is stop loss. I see two screens. What do you mean you see two screens, bro? That's because I have this one turned off. So I can't deal with three screens that are too much, bro. Right? It's easier to handle 3 wives than 3 screens. Bro, why so many emojis, man? That's the sussest comment I've ever read in my life also. The fuck is that gay shit? Would you say TP is at 79, 71? TP is at 85, around 85. Like, okay, maybe you could put it at around 80 on the dot, or 80.8. But I'm gonna close most of the position at 85. I mean, 2 monitor screens? Yeah, that's what I said. I checked the David's message, bro. It was gayest shit I've ever heard in my life. I'm repulsed. I'm disgusted. I'm disinfatuated. Are you in a trade right now? No, we're waiting. I have sell stops at 2290.8. What was the prop firm company that you mentioned yesterday? It was FTMO. You're too handsome. I know, man, but relax, okay? Relax. Only ladies are allowed to say that. Oh, this is one really tight trade if executed. Yep. I have faith, though. Well, I don't have faith. I have logical reason. Are you barred because you're the best trader, or are you the best trader because you're barred? That's a really good question, man. That's a really good question, bro. I think I'm the best trader because I'm barred. That's why. Have you ever heard the Floyd Mayweather interview where he's like, money doesn't make me, I make money? It's kind of the same thing. Some glass for answering. FTMO good? Yes, FTMO great. Equity Edge is also really good. Equity Edge is also good, by the way. I love how I say that, and I haven't received a single payout from them. I've heard Equity Edge is good. I haven't tried it myself yet. I haven't confirmed. I haven't gotten a payout yet. But I'm pretty positive it's good. Now, if you get scammed, it has nothing to do with me. It's not my fault. What are the things that's going to separate you from the large majority of traders who fail? Okay. I'm gonna name a few things. First, playbook. Number 1. If you don't have playbook, you will not be able to execute logically in times of high stress. That is number 1. Not your future trades will be affected by your previous trades. You'll cave into emotions. You'll feel different every day, so you'll take different trades every day. No, fuck that. You need to write every single trade that you know down. That's number 1. Have a playbook. Number 1. Number 2. Have the discipline to follow that playbook. Meaning you can have a playbook, but as long as you don't have the discipline to follow it, it doesn't matter. It could be a 90, 100% win rate playbook. It does not matter. You need the discipline to follow it. Like everything in life, you can have the best plan, the best way to do something, and as long as you don't follow it, and as long as you don't have discipline to actually put the work in, it doesn't matter. Those are the 2 things. Have a playbook and have the discipline to follow the playbook. Third thing. have a separate income outside of trading. Why do I say that? Because the more weight, the higher the percentage of the trading money that is of your whole net worth, the more emotional you will be. So have an income, have a secure income, because if you rent and if you can eat food that month, depends on your trading, you will be way too emotionally invested in making those bucks, which will then in turn not make you profitable, because you will start thinking, you will not be able to think logically about the trades. Have a side income. I know I have low disk space. Those are the three things that I would say that will separate you mostly. And then, I mean, the fourth thing, which is obvious, but people still need to hear it, is just do the work. Right? These three things are really good, but the real separation between successful traders and not successful traders is work. They're not necessarily smarter. There's no like quick, just work harder than everybody else. When everybody's out, you stay in and you backtest. When everybody's going out to eat, you stay in and you backtest. Right? When people are traveling, you stay in and you focus and you study you study the markets. That's how you win. Sounds boring, that's how you win. And there's no real shortcut. But yeah, I would say those three things that I mentioned before, and then just honestly just put the work in, man. The guy that makes the most is the guy that worked the hardest. And I mean, you decide, bro. You decide. Being rich is hard. Being broke is hard. Choose your heart. I'm like too practical and down to earth, objective, non-pretentious to call myself the best and great. And all the Zen speech guru stuff doesn't motivate me either. I just trade and I try to make the money. Yeah. If that's how your brain works, then good for you, man. And go for it. Thanks, bro. No worries, man. No worries. But just put the work in, bro. Sacrifice your time now and you live the rest of your life like a fucking king. That was the thing I had. I was like, you know what? I'm young. I'm not gonna be in my prime until I'm like 30. Like men, I feel like men are in their prime when they're like 28, 30, late 20s, early 30s. That's like the men's prime. And I'm like, imagine if I just work now the hardest I can, and then when I'm 30, 28, when I'm in my prime physically, mentally, I'm also financially in my prime. How good doesn't that sound? So yeah, either sacrifice now and then have an easy life, or have an easy life now and then you have to suffer. Yeah. The XAU has been bullish today. Yeah, no shit, David. Aren't you seeing the gold chart? Aren't you seeing the gold chart, David? Yeah. I'm practical and down to earth too, by the way. I'm very practical, down to earth. Very, very practical. Very, very practical. No theory. I hate theory. That's why I hated college. College is all theory. You just sit there and you learn a bunch of concepts and you learn a bunch of formulas and you're like, okay, when the fuck am I gonna use any of this? I'd rather just get to work. I'd rather know where I want to go and then just start getting to work and then find myself as I go, than have the whole plan planned out and then not getting to work. Because while you're still planning what you're gonna do, I have tried and failed 3 times and I found a better way. I'm going to skip volleyball and go to the gym and try to learn where to put support and resistance. I don't know if that's such a good idea, bro. I'm talking if there's things like Valborg and Christmas and these things, then you can, I mean, you can still have fun, bro. I'm not the one to go. I'm not telling you to go crazy. I'm telling you, have fun. When you have fun, have real fun. When you work for real. Whatever you do it 100%. So, if you want to go to Valborg, I'd say go to Valborg, bro. But then the next day, if you drink, don't wake up and think, I'm hungover, blah, blah. No, you wake up and you do the exact same shit you would have done. And then actually, before you go to Valborg, get some shit done. So that when you go to Valborg and you celebrate, you actually feel good about yourself. Because everybody knows the feeling of not doing shit all day and then going out and celebrating, and then having that subconscious telling you should not be celebrating because you haven't done anything. Everybody knows that feeling. Because I'm gonna be honest, in my journey, I partied a lot. I went out like 2 times a week. Partied a lot. But when I partied hard, and when I worked hard. There was no middle for me. From when I wake up, maybe 10 a.m. until when I go out at like 10 p.m. all work. Studying, editing, streaming, trading. Then from 10 p.m. I might go out and I might have some fun with friends, and then I get home, sleep, and then I do the same thing again. But twice a week I did go out, and I had a lot of fun, and I still achieved whatever I wanted to achieve. So I'm not saying don't have fun, guys. Do have fun, but there needs to be a balance. So I say go to Valborg, have fun with your friends. Don't worry about that too much. But just when you work. When you have fun, have fun. That's the only advice I can give you. Because if you work all your life on your deathbed, you're not going to be like, you can't take your money with you. The money is to have fun. So then why would you sacrifice sacrifice the thing that you want for the thing that's going to get you there? Doesn't make sense. So have fun along the way. Work hard. Enjoy your job. Enjoy your people. Enjoy your friends. Right? No need to be like on some Andrew Tate shit all the time. What is fun though? For me, fun is hanging out with my family, providing for people I love, buying my mom a gift, helping dad with a car, traveling with friends, and all those things are so much more fun with money. So yeah, Warzone coding, yeah, everybody has different funds. I like spending quality time with people I love. And I like providing for people I love as well. That's the best. My fun now is when I feel the best is when I'm giving something to somebody. That's when I feel the best. That's when I'm most content with myself. That's kind of what I think. That's what happens when you grow from a boy to a man. Now, I'm not saying I'm a man like that. I'm just saying, once I started making money, my mindset shifted. It went from me to everybody else around me. That's how the mindset. When you start making money, guys, you see your mindset will shift from I need to make money for me so that I can have fun. Instead, it shifts to I need to make money so I can take care of the people that I love. And I can buy things for people that I love. And that's your fun. Like I love that. That's nothing more than buying one of my friends, for example. Let's say we go out and I buy my friends drinks. Like, I feel good. That's perfect. We have fun. Buy my mom a gift. Nothing better. Yeah. Do you know do you know why we celebrate Valborg? No idea. Hi Bard, if your sell is triggered, if it's a rejection, how will you manage your risk? I'd look for closures above 94, and if you close above 94, I'd close my position. So I'd wait for a closure above 94. That's what I do. So if you tap it right here, if you come down, tap it, and then you reject off of this level, and then you come up and you close above this level right here. You close here, then I would manage risk. I'd look to get out on the bottom wick. But I'd look for a bottom wick, and I'd get out at probably 92 before it pushes down, flips. That's how I'd manage risk on this position. We want the shirt to feel happy. Yep, that's true. If I was making money, I'd be on vacation with my fam like once every 3 months. Yeah, bro. I'm out Bard. Took 3 trades. Earlier when it was coming down, I was just hanging out. Thanks again, big boy. Peace in the Middle East. See you, bro. Take care, man. How did you learn to analyze the chart? I did not learn by myself. That's a big misconception. I did not learn by myself. Nobody can ever learn something by themselves. What I did is I watched streamers that I liked. I watched Uncle Ted. I watched Don. I watched Raja Banks. I watched streamers that I like, how they trade. And then what I did is I tried to model my trading after them. And once I got their concepts, then I went onto the charts by myself and I started looking for patterns that happen often. So what happens before price drives? Or what happens before price consolidates? What happens before price pulls back? What are the levels it usually taps? Where should I draw my support? Like, that's what I did. But I did not learn by myself. What I did is I watched other streamers analyze the charts. I watched other people. Like, if you want to be a basketball player, you study other basketball players. So that's what I did. How long did it take? It took me maybe 2 years to really get the hang of it. 2 years of constantly watching my streamers every day. Being on the charts every day. Being genuine goes a long way. Yeah, man. Of course. Always. Always. But yeah, chat. The sell stops are still here. I'm just waiting for them to get triggered. But I'm gonna have to end stream here, boys. I gotta go and meet up with some friends. And I gotta get some shit done on the business side of things. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. And I'll see you boys, not tomorrow, I'll see you boys on Thursday. Alright? Alright, take care, everybody.